Real talk, mommers. You spent months tracking your macros, buying the most expensive supplements, and cultivating a flawless milk supply, only to cross 3 time zones and suddenly feel completely empty. Jet lag is the absolute ultimate vibe killer, and when it hits your breasts, it can feel like a total emergency. If you're jetting off to Paris in French first class or just taking a quick bachelorette weekend down in Cabo, you do not have to watch your liquid gold dry up. Today, we are spilling the tea on how time zones actually affect your supply, and the exact luxury travel hacks you need to keep your breasts and your vacation on point. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom doesn't mean you have to stop living your absolute best life, but it does mean your body is working on a literal clock. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. The relationship between your hormones and the local time can feel super confusing, mostly because your brain might think it is midnight in New York while your body is trying to drink mimosas at noon in London. We are going to break down the science of the milk clock, how to manage your pumping schedule in style, and the ultimate hydration hacks so you can breeze through your trip and head straight to the resort spa. Let's start with the absolute baseline science you need to understand before you even board the plane. Your milk supply is heavily driven by a beautiful little hormone called prolactin, and prolactin naturally peaks in the middle of the night, usually between midnight and 5 a.m. When you change time zones, your brain gets totally confused by the new daylight cycle, but your breasts are still running on your home time zone. This means if you skip a night session because you are adjusting to local European time, you are actually skipping your highest yielding pump of the day. That is a total nightmare for your supply. To combat this, do not switch your pumping app to local time the second you land. Keep your phone or your luxury smartwatch set to your home time zone for the first 48 hours. If you usually pump at 10 p.m. at home, pump when it is 10 p.m. at home, even if that means you are slipping away to the bathroom during a gorgeous dinner in Rome. Maintaining that internal rhythm is the ultimate power move to trick your body into thinking nothing has changed. Now, let's talk gear and luxury hacks, because flying through the night is exhausting enough without dealing with a drop in ounces. When you are traveling across the globe, high stress levels and dehydration are the true villains that will tank your supply faster than any time zone change. If you want to be extra bougie and completely stress-free, ditch the standard airport water bottles and pack a high-end, insulated travel tumbler filled with electrolyte packets. You need to double your fluid intake the second you hit 30,000 feet. While you are lounging in the sky, highly consider wearing a cordless, wearable pump like the Elvie or Willow right under your silk travel wrap. You can literally pump while ordering another round of sparkling water from the flight attendant, keeping your demand high without missing a beat. Once you land at your 5-star hotel, don't hesitate to order a massive side of oatmeal from room service first thing in the morning. Oats are a total game changer for supply, and having it delivered on a silver platter makes waking up at 4 a.m. local time feel like a total treat instead of a chore. So, what happens if you hit day 3 of your vacation and you notice your output is starting to dip? First, take a deep breath. Do not panic, because cortisol is the ultimate enemy of the letdown reflex. Simply adjust your strategy and implement a power pumping session right from your hotel bed. Power pumping mimics cluster feeding by pumping for 20 minutes, resting for 10, pumping for 10, resting for 10, and pumping for 10. It sounds intense, but doing this once a day in your plush hotel room will send a massive signal to your brain to ramp production right back up. Also, remember that your body is incredibly resilient. A temporary dip from travel fatigue is completely normal and totally reversible. To make this whole process a million times smoother, download a time zone converter app before you leave. Plug in your ideal pumping windows and block them out on your calendar like the VIP appointments they are. It is the ultimate mic drop for protecting your stash. Traveling as a breastfeeding mama doesn't have to mean sacrificing your hard-earned milk supply. With the right luxury gear, the right mindset, and a little bit of hormonal strategy, you can conquer any flight, anywhere, and keep that liquid gold flowing. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, luxury travel, and all things baby, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you've ever survived a long-haul flight with a pump, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite destination to visit with a baby. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.